Yinarai assassini airport in my moja nananu shegu edigu on my
Mimo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Me wo ho na me kohu article bi ewo eye Ghana Web. Na on se ensem no ebasa na eto de bia enkrofo ene yi asutre. Eto de bia trende ewo social media na yate na yakọ hwehwe ekira kwan. Eto de bi nso a yakokohu ewo website na yakoye reading afa ho na yape ensem no more na yede ababa betudwa. Now, said this post no, it was made by Prophet Nigel Gazy yesterday. Na Endra will make his post no, said ende answer na asemna wakan no, yako viral inti ende na nkrofo ka ho asem. Yanso ye beka ho asem. Munim say Endra, one of the videos very disturbing. Na a trend Kennedy Japan video of he not looking well. Ye na ye beka safa ho. Ne krani nyame nim. Sa video na obeka se ne Kennedy Japan as said the wenya stroke no. Na say during that time Nigel Gazy so ebetro ensem bi eto Facebook na me nim say ensem wa Nigel Gazy betro ye no. It was a shot at Kennedy Japan and na say a mere coincidence ene de yentumi enye den entre. Na ye be konsem ni mu ye wi ane akwa read comments na ya hwede Ghana for eka yempese ebekwa akwa yesa ye Melodies na ye de asem to Nigel Gazy so enti ebekwa read comment ni ahwe de Ghana for eka and that your first time wa subscribe na click the notification bell ne so send your obey sa no ebeba screen ne so oye ne sa pepepe a latest news bi ebeba no wonsa ebeka you will new YouTube channel link no ewo comment box ni mo click na subscribe now yan concept ni mo say it will be a lesson to all who fight and speak lies against men of God and the church. They should expect the worst by 4 of year because curses work. Now let me take it one more. We are sorry, say man no air from say the brain is working faster than the math. Intino sa ABC. I say it will be a lesson to all who fight and speak lies against men of God and the church. They should expect the worst by 4 of year because curses work. You can't touch me and go free. There is an oil of God upon my life. I have served the Lord faithfully since my childhood. I have seen a part of God before. You can have money, but true healing is of God. Don't touch his men. You can have a gun, but not protection. Protection is of God. You cause my home pain. Expect more pain because scriptures can't be broken. Zechariah 2 verses 8. Galatians 6 verses 7. The prayers of men of God works. One down, one to go. Na Prophet Nigel Gazy wakasa. Na nsema waka no. So wo biti na echi na ndipa ko ne ka se eye Kennedy Japan na Nigel Gazy wone no kasa na wo kasa afa Kennedy Japan ho a mi ndi nipa ko na echi nie even though Nigel Gazy one bo Kennedy Japan din no clearly ebe ya o se eye Kennedy Japan na wo ka na asem na me tretremu abatwe mu a de Nigel Gazy kan ne se wono Nigel Gazy wasum Nyankopon yie ode opepa ene akomapa ena asom Nyankopon wasum no in all faithfulness efiri ne nkolabrem ebedu embra wanyin na obi aniwa wo betumi de nensa aka Nyankopon enipa ana obi a wasom Nyankopon saa a twese bibia ento wo yedian bibi beto wo se engosra bi ewo ne so ewo na bra aboso na wonim na wo yese wo de wonsa ebeka na ade ebeto no enya asem ketwa wo se wo sikase ade enkra na eye Nyankopon eno bema ayaresa enye wo sika na bema ayaresa memfa wonsa nka Nyankopon nipa wo se wo etuo said the encrana Nyankopon enem ebo nipa ho ban na enye tuo ene ebo nipa ho ban. Wase wono na Ejugezi o ma nebusuanfo edi yaw. Na o ma nebusuanfo di yaw no oje yaw no waso pem. Ende unso ubedi yaw na o yaw na wudi no unye ndi nwie ye o baba bedi atuaso because Nyankopon atro ewo ne nkrata mu Zakaria 2 verse 8 na me pese me read Zakaria 2 verse 8 no. Zakaria 2 verse 8 or say, for this is what the Lord Almighty says, after the glorious one has sent me against the nations that have plundered you, for whoever touches you touches the apple of his eye. Zakaria asemo awoka ene se Nyankopon asuma enkrofo bi na se obi a wode ne nsa ebeka saa enkrofo na Nyankopon asoma omo no na trese wode nsa aka Nyankopon eni. Zakaria no eno no. Prophet Ejugezi esanso quote Galatians na bohwe Galatians ya woka o say Galatians maza analysis ni ebe yo na mo de mu ni me. Galatians chapter 6 verse 7 eno nso ni be read atremo o say do not be deceived. God cannot be mocked. A man reaps what he sows. The one who sows to please his sinful nature, from that nature will reap destruction. The one who sows to please the Spirit, from the Spirit will reap eternal life. Na Galatians ne de oka ne say, men da wo ho da. De wudua no eno na wutwa. De waye na adwen se wono de wo bedua bone no. Bone ene beba na brabo mu. Enti clearly obehu ne say Ejugezi was string shots. Now so one book in the Japan di na eho no de kan say one down, one to go. Atre say baako atofom aka baako bioma obekọ. Na me say Ejugezi. They say mother, asempeni enya asem kitwa o. Now let's go and read the comments coming through and then see what people are saying. Are people linking this to Kennedy Japan? Obisi, bitter truth. Well done, my papa. I say well done, no person can say well done. Now, well done, my papa. But I saw someone around Medina, just like you. Haircut, face and voice and everything. I stopped and spoke with him before, knowing it is not you. Please, I want to meet you, just to see you in real life. And then Ejugezi Beka say, I did for you. Okay. And let's see. Or say, Prophet Ejugezi, do you know something? Those times of your persecution and hatred was the time I began to love you and your ministry more. I see what you carry. You are prophet for nations. Whatever happened in those times is going to make you greater, known, and positively affect lives of men. In those times, I remember I was always on my knees for you. So I have a certain joy seeing you in that boldness. God bless you. Obinso ka se embra na Ejugezi. Ye tweno ensa abasa egu nenimu ase no. Eno onu nipa ko ne hu se na Ejugezi wo ye nyame nipa mpa. Na embra sa atan ye sa de no nu nipa kro no ekọ ni kotodwe nim ebompa ye se Nyankopon enhye na Ejugezi den. Ena na Ejugezi beka se woda nipa kro na ase. Osi senior, please don't give them more room to spill garbage on you anymore because it breaks my heart. Let God arise and speak for himself this time around. Let the arrows of Jezebel reverse back to torment her subjects. God is not deaf, dumb, and blind not to realize that his people need him. God of Elijah will surely speak and we shall behold his glory. Shalom. So a lot of people are speaking. Obinso aye evangelist or say, I came to your church just to find out myself if the things they were saying is true. But I realized it was a big lie because you prophesied upon my life and it came to pass. So everything happens for a testimony, my prophets. Clearly, Ubehu, or say, who say prophet no day? He day pa no long talks. Na in all the comments na nso no obi ani wa wo bo Kennedy Japan din but sani ayeka no osi ekutie bia eye den ekutie bia ne nira wontre mo adwo comment box no mu medase